Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn a synopsis, the Swiss Family Robinson, which we have started in the last week. This is a novel, and we have seen that the sheep through which they were traveling had been reached to a deserted island where they tried to survive. Dear students, we are going to continue the same lesson 1.2, a synopsis, the Swiss Family Robinson. Up to this we have seen that the family of William had shifted to one of the deserted islands and they were trying to survive there. Thinking about of the next winter, that is the next season, father decided to create a place safe from the elements, a strong storage spot to protect themselves and their belongings. Means the head of the family, father William, was thinking about how to save, how to protect their necessary elements and belongings. Fritz came up with the idea of a cave. Not finding one, they thought of carving out their own cave in the rock, abetting their camping site. So when they were thinking about the cave, they did not find a natural cave. So they thought to carve a cave. On the smooth face of the rock, father marked the dimensions for an opening and picked away at the hard surface with their axes, chisels. So see the meaning of chisels? A long bladed hard tool used to shape wood or stone. So such type of tools like chisels, hammers and shovels. See the meaning of shovels? A tool with a blade. So in this way they decided to use these tools. Over the next several days, the family cut windows in the rocks to allow for cross currents of air and for sunlight to enter the cave. It means they were thinking about such a house where there will be fresh air, there will be cross current of sunlight as well as air. When they had finished, they had 4 rooms, complete with a fireplace. They now had a new winter home. So when they finished their home, they had 4 rooms, complete with a fireplace also, and they now had a new winter home. Because of the low light, the cave house they had built felt oppressive. And now we are going to continue. Because of the low light, the cave house they had built felt oppressive. To remedy this, means in alternative of this, father and Zack rigged up a new light. Rigged up means to fit out. They found a bamboo pole that would reach from the floor to the ceiling. Then after securing it, Zack climbed to the top of the pole and hung a large oil lamp that they had rescued from the ship. It means now they had done the adjustment of light also, so that they will not have to live in darkness. One day, they found that one of the family's huts had been completely destroyed, means ruined. and the cultivated fields around it had been trampled and ruined. Trampled means tread on and crush. There were huge footmarks everywhere. It means they have seen there were the footprints everywhere. Father saw massive damage. Massive means a large amount of damage, destruction to trees as well as many huge footprints which he identified as belonging to an elephant herd. So he himself identified that these are the footprints of the group of elephants. The next morning, the family began to design a new defense to discourage all wild animals from entering their cultivated lands. So they decided that they will build such a house which will discourage all wild animals, and they will not be able to destruct their house and their cultivated lands. So they were continuously trying to make improvements so that they would be safe, from animals, such wild animals. They also finalized their ideas about the new residential place, about the new dwelling place, rather than building a house on stilts. Stilts means a small plot, three-pointed support. Instead of such three-pointed support, which the elephants could knock down easily, they wood. Wood is a model auxiliary used to express wish. They would use 4 strong trees growing in a square near one another as the foundation. So they decided to build such a house on the foundation of 4 trees. The trees were of equal size, approximately 12 feet apart. Apart means long. Thus they built another safe home. 10 years passed, and the young boys were now young men, and their parents were very proud of. So in this way they survived there for 10 years, and the parents were very proud of their children and their survival. They called the island New Switzerland. They started calling that island as a New Switzerland. Many adventures occurred over the years. So during these 10 years they had to face many difficulties, challenges, and they had faced them courageously. On the shore of another island, Fritz had knocked down an albatross. Albatross is a large bird which was threatening to attack him, and found a rag tied to the large bird's leg. Rag means a piece of cloth. On the rag was a message that an Englishwoman had been stranded on the smoking rock. Stranded means left alone, helpless. Fritz had no idea how old the message was. His father suggested that smoking rock sounded like a reference to a volcano. Since there were no volcanoes in the vicinity. Vicinity means neighborhood. There was no volcano. The bird might have come from hundreds of miles away. They thought that the bird might have come from hundreds of miles away. However, Fritz felt that someone needed his help. So whatever it is, from wherever the bird may have come, but the Fritz thought that somebody needed his help, someone is in problem, someone is in difficulties, and he was determined. Determined means to make a strong decision, to decide strongly, to do his best to find the sender. So he determined that he will find who had sent this message. Before returning home, he had written his own note on the rag. It means before going home, he had written his own message on the piece of that cloth which was tied to the bird's leg, and retied the rag to the albatross leg, and had watched the bird fly off. And then he had seen that the bird fly off. The note told whoever received it, do not despair. Do not despair means don't be nervous, don't be disappointed, help is near. It means he created a positivity in the receiver's mind. Fritz then successfully rescued the young woman Jenny Montrose. So after that, Fritz did something so that the English woman had been rescued. Her name was Jenny Montrose. Though she was shy at first, in the beginning she was shy, but very soon she got used to living with the Robinsons family. But in a short time she was habituated to survive with them, to stay with them, to stay with the Robinson family. One day they saw a ship which had laid anchor. So one day they had seen that there was a ship which laid anchor there. An encampment had been set up on one of the smaller islands. So they had seen that they had made an encampment after checking the people through their spyglass. Spyglass, a type of binocular. They had checked, first of all, that who are these people. Fritz and his father decided to announce themselves after they had returned home and cleaned it up. So Fritz and his father, that is William, both of them decided that they will go and meet these people and they will announce themselves. They did not want the crew to think that they were savages. Why did they decide that they will introduce themselves to the crew? Crew means the staff members who are working on a ship. The reason was they did not want the crew to think they were savages. Savages means wild people. The next day, Fritz and his father met the captain and told him their own history as well as Jenny's. So next day they went there and told the captain the history of William's family and Jenny's also. To everyone's surprise, it had been Jenny's father who had inspired the captain's search. So when the crew and the captain heard the story of William's family and Jenny's, they were surprised. They were shocked because it was Jenny's father who inspired the captain, who motivated, who encouraged the captain to search. He believed his daughter was still alive after 3 years. So why did he motivate the captain? Because he believed, he had a strong belief that his daughter was still alive, though 3 years have been passed. The captain had decided to attempt to find her. Though 3 years have been passed, the captain of the ship had decided that he will make efforts, he will try to find Jenny. With a burst of celebration. Burst means a sudden brief outbreak. The family, passengers and crew of the British vessel headed towards New Switzerland. Everyone was amazed by the prosperity and good health of the survivors. So when the captain decided that they will move towards the New Switzerland and see how they are surviving there, they were surprised. They were amazed. They were happy by seeing the health of William's family and what progress they have made as the day ended. When the day was over, the father realized that decisions must be made about who wanted to stay on the island or return with the ship. So when the day was over, Father William thought it is better to make a decision that who is going to stay there on the new island and who is going to return with the ship. Elizabeth and her husband did not wish to live anywhere but on the same island, though they did not wish to move anywhere, but they felt that it is better to make the decision. They had been there for so long and had grown used to their life. So why didn't they wish to return? Because they had been there for so long, for so many years, and they had grown used to their life there itself. Jenny asked if anyone would support her return to England. So when Jenny asked, the first words, freeze. He responded first. He offered cheers for us who were going to Europe. Ernest, on the other hand, the younger one, the Ernest, wanted to stay on the island itself with the parents, with William and Elizabeth. Jack also decided to stay back. Franz, the youngest boy, decided to join Fritz in living. The reason the youngest boy, Franz, wanted a chance to receive an academic education because he wanted to learn, he wanted to attend a school. So he decided to stay with Fritz. Before Fritz left, he told his parents of his love for Jenny and his wish to marry her. Before leaving, he told his parents that he loved Jenny and it is his wish to marry her. The father had kept a record of all the adventures. It means William made a record of all the adventurous activities, all the courageous activities they had on the island. He handed over the journals to the captain to be published. That is why he had given the journals to the captain so that he will publish them. Then the ship departed. In the same way, the ship went back. Thank you.